Kathleen, what are you doing in here? Who did that? You did that? Did you make this mess? Did you get into the cabinet? I see that. Yes, you made a mess. Who's going to clean this up? Who's going to clean it now? You? Are you going to clean up this mess? You silly. You silly. What you doing here? Getting into trouble. Yeah, I see that. You can have that.